Hello and welcome to QuizMuiz. Today we are diving into 30 fun questions all about the Oscars. If you are new here, make sure to hit that subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our quizzes. Let's jump into the quiz. Which film competed closely with La La Land at the Oscars and won Best Picture? Which animated film was the first to be nominated for Best Picture? Which actor rushed to help Jennifer Lawrence when she tripped on the Oscars stage? Which of these actors won both a Razzie and an Oscar for acting? Which was the first superhero film to be nominated for Best Picture at the Oscars? Which actor holds the record for the most Oscar nominations? Who is the youngest actor to win an Oscar? Which film was the first to win the Oscar for Best Director for a female director? Which actress became the first African American woman to win the Oscar for Best Actress? Which film won 6 Oscars but didn't win Best Picture? Which film has won the most Oscars? Who won the Oscar for Best Cinematography for The Revenant? Which film won Martin Scorsese the Academy Award for Best Director? Which Best Picture winning film's director was not nominated for Best Director? Which of these actors has never won an Oscar for acting? Which film was nominated for 11 Oscars and won all of them? Which category did Matt Damon win his only Oscar for? For which film did Al Pacino win his first Academy Award for Best Actor? Which film did Pulp Fiction lose the Oscar for Best Picture to? Which composer won an Oscar for the Lion King soundtrack? Who was the first actor to receive an Oscar posthumously? Which director has won the most Academy Awards? Which actor has won the most Oscars for acting? Who is the oldest actor to win the Academy Award for Best Actor? Which actress was nominated for 2 Oscars in the same year? Which actor declined an Oscar, calling the ceremony a 2-hour meat parade? Which was the first non-English language film to win the Oscar for Best Picture? How many years after her second Oscar did Meryl Streep win her third Oscar? Which film won the Oscar for Best Picture despite the strong competition from Saving Private Ryan? Which film won Benicio del Toro an Oscar for Best Supporting Actor?